my PC, this PC or whatever it is, left click on this PC, go to properties. Once you go to properties, go to advanced settings. Once you're in advanced settings, it's the same. Don't click nothing, don't change nothing, just comes to the bottom there. Valuables, where it says valuable at the bottom there, and click on valuables and scroll down, and you want to change these two files name. Just change the name, and basically that will fix the problem in it. I'll zoom in close, just copy that, and once you copy the exact same thing for both files, yeah, once you finish that, just press OK, and then press OK again, and basically just close that, and just close that, and just restart your PC, and you should be good to go.